Definitely, I feel happy to be home as my motherland, as a Ugandan. To be in a foreign country is not easy. Any foreigner, as long as you know that you are in a foreign country, it's not easy because you look there to look for the green pastures. But unfortunately, the citizens, if they say that they feed up foreigners, what do? You have to pack your things and go back home.
Yanza namugenyi Aisha. Alhamdulillah. Twebaza Allah. Asobozesezza gavumenti yaffe eno tukomyawo. Tweyanza nnyo tweyanzeege. Kubanga twagenda okwekubira omulanga ng'embeera egaanye. Bannansi tebatwagala. Tebaagala obulimi olimu obutonotono tebabwagala ate era tebasobola bukola ekitegeera. Kwegamba baagala kubeeraawo obubeezi. Ate ne bye bakaayanira tebasobola bikola. So tuli basanyufu nnyo olwa gavumenti yaffe okuwulira omulanga gwaffe.
Kibadde South Africa tekibadde kyangu naye nga ekintu ekyo wekituuseewo tekitandise kati kintu kyatandika dda naye nga byonna biri political. Ekintu kino tusooka okiraba kyaliwo kobu 28 bwe battira abagwira almost 68 nekiddamu mu 2015 kitegeera ate nekiddamu kyebayita unarrest July. Ekintu ekyo we kyatandika naye olaba ekintu ekyo engeri gye kizimbibwamu ogenda okulaba nti kiri political naye nga baani abasinga okiwomamu omutwe ogenda okulaba nti abazulu be basinga okukola ki because bo beetwala nti no bo bali superior ate be bannannyini nsi naye nga omuntu akiri emabega ye former president Jacob Zuma.
The situation was very bad because first of all, like me, I was staying in Johannesburg, the place called Soweto. Soweto is where the Zulus stay. Like most of them, they are staying that side. So it's been not good. They've been telling our landlords to chase us out. If not, they can burn their houses. So my landlord told me, you know what, please can you get a place where to go? I'm sorry because I can't lose my house because of you. So I had to run somewhere far. So it's been not easy.
How does it feel to be home? And the way you conduct your job.
Thank you.
We always follow you and we love you so much.
Thank you.
When we asked the government, it acted swiftly and everything has been done so fast. While we encourage you to invest and grow the economy back home, it is also our interest that wherever you are, your rights, your interests are protected. Your security is paramount to us. I am happy tonight to be with our sister forces and our sister agencies. We have the UPDF that guarantees the safety and the security of all Ugandans at home and abroad. We are here tonight with members of Association of Returnees, people who have ever been abroad but have come back to live at home. And they're here to tell you that home is so sweet.
Place, tulina ebintu bingi bye tubategekedde. Tulina zisaako, tulina well station, tulina abantu abagala okulima, tulina agriculture, kwegamba ebintu bingi. N'olwekyo nsembyayo bino kubanga mukooye, tusanyuse nnyo okubalaba bamaama, bataata, bababies, mwenna ffenna tusanyuse nnyo okubalaba. We are going to make money and you will never regret it. Because East West home is best. I am born again. I love the Lord. One thing I want to let you know as a child of God, everything happens for a reason. What the enemy meant for evil, God will turn it around for good, that his name may be glorified. I respect your religious affiliations, but I want to let you know that what the enemy meant for evil, God will turn it around for good, and you will shine your shine in Uganda.
Welcome back home. And it feels good to be home. We want to thank His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We thank him for his fatherly, timely, and decisive decision to evacuate our nationals that had been living within the territory of the Republic of South Africa. Let's give him a big hand clap.
And all Ugandans, I stand here this morning to welcome you back home. Your touching down on Ugandan soil this morning is a profound relief to the entire nation. Your families and the fountain of honor, General Museveni. No matter the distances you travel, the challenges you face abroad, you must always remember that Uganda is your home. And your government will never abandon you in times of crisis. Upon receiving reports of the volatile, xenophobic situation in South Africa, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni immediately directed the mobilization of resources to guarantee your safe passage. This morning, we are welcoming the first cohort of 265 Ugandan nationals arriving aboard our national carrier in partnership with our brothers, the Ethiopian Airline. A total of around 700 Ugandans have already registered voluntarily to be repatriated due to this emergency. Following the strategic directive laid out, the government is fully committed to ensuring that all remaining registered nationals are safely repatriated back home. I'm happy to inform you that he is more than ready to meet with you. On a sad note, the government regrets to report that 3 Ugandans lost their lives. This is very unfortunate. Mr. Nwamanya Wilbert, who lost his life following an attack in the KwaZulu-Natal province, The second individual, who is yet to be identified, also lost his life while fleeing from a violent gang in Cape Town. There's also a third one. But our government will do whatever it takes to repatriate the bodies and also to support the aggrieved families.
So it is possible to come back home and do well.